This is exercise, what did you say it was again? 19.3. Okay, this is question 4. Now, what I need you to remember is this f of x, what does that mean? Input or output? Output. Okay, now the rule is multiply your input by -2 and then add on 5. It's the same thing as -2x plus 5. They're actually the same function. Okay? Multiply your input by -2, add 5. Now, what does part 1 mean? Part 1 means your input is 0. -2 times 0 plus 5, anybody? Sorry? Plus 5. First answer. Next one, what's the input when it's 2? F of 2. This means do the function when your input is the number 2. -2 times 2 plus 5. Anybody? -4 plus 5 plus 1. Next one, part 3. F of -3. Your input is -2 multiplied by -3 plus 5. What's -2 by -3? 6 plus 5? 11. Plus 11. Okay. Part 4. F of -1/2. -2 multiplied by -1/2 plus 5. What's -2 by -1/2? Anybody? Plus 1. 1 plus 5? 6. Okay, next one. F of k. What does f of k mean? Anywhere you see x, now you put the letter k. It's going to be -2k plus 5. And that's it. Okay? Now, there's something that I really want to explain the difference right now, okay, to you guys. That's easy enough stuff, isn't it? Now there's a big difference. I want you, using this question here on top, okay, I want you to explain to me what is the difference between the equation f of x equals, I need something good for it to equal, f of x equals -5 and f of -5. Can anybody tell me what is the difference between the two of them? Which one do you know the meaning of? Can anybody tell me? The left one or the right one? Huh? A or B? Which ones did we do a second ago? A or B? No, we did B. Input is -5. This means it's going to be -2 bracket -5 plus 5. What's that going to get you? 10 plus 5, which is 15. This means find the output when the input is -5. What does this mean? This means the output is -5. Find the input. Okay? So how do I do that? I replace f of x with -2x plus 5. -2x plus 5 equals -5. Bring over the 5. -2x equals -10. X therefore equals 5. When the input is 5, the output is, okay. In English, once again from the top, what does question A mean? Question A, what does it mean? Find the input that gives an output of -5. What does this question mean? Find the output when the input is -5. Does everybody know the difference in the language now? Yeah, thought so. Alright, let's try another one now. This one here. Can anybody tell me, what does the first question mean in English? f of x equals 4. What does that mean? Find the input when the output is 4. So 3 times your input minus 2 equals 4. Bring over to 2. 3x equals, x equals, the input was 2. What does this one mean? It doesn't matter if it's f or g. Find the input when the output is minus 10. And what's the formula for g? 2 minus 4x equals minus 10, which is x equals 3. Happy enough with that? Right, next one. Next one's a tough one. Okay? Do one part at a time. What does f of 4 mean? f4. Can I tell you what f4 means in English? Find the output value when the input is 4. 3 times 4 minus 2. 12 minus 2, which is 10. You happy enough with that? Now, what can I replace f4 with? And what does this question mean? Find the input value for g when the output is 10. So what do I write next? 2 minus 4x equals 10. Bring over to 4, bring over to 2. 4x equals minus 2 minus 10 minus 8. X equals x equals minus 2. Are you happy enough with that at the moment? It's just the language it's going to get you, okay? The language is what's going to get you. Okay, next one. This one here. Okay. Now, that's a G, by the way, okay? Now see this dot dot business. Do you know what that means? It means the same thing what we just did. It means this, and this one means what? G of x equals. Now, let's do this formula here. What does G of 3 mean? G3. Sorry? G3 means find the output when input is 3. What's the answer to G3? Anybody? The answer for G3 is? 4. The output is 4. Good man, Farrell. 4. Okay. See this one here? K multiplied by whatever F3 is. Can anybody tell me how to find F3?
It's 12.
F3 means the input is 3. So it's going to be, it means it's F3 is going to be 4 times 3, which is 12, yeah? That means this is K multiplied by 12. What does K multiplied by 12 mean? What does it equal?
12K.
12K. This part here is 12K. What does the formula become overall then? 4 plus 12K equals 8. Move to 4 over the other side. What happens? 12K equals 8 minus 4. 12K equals, what's K equal to? 4 over 12, which is a third. Sit down, okay? What do you think of that one? It's actually easy when you do it step by step. Okay, next one. Now, somebody tell me what to do with g of k plus 1. What does that mean? Find the output when the input is k plus 1. The input is k plus 1. Which letter is the input here? Which letter is the input? X. So the new input is k plus 1. Replace all x's with k plus 1. What happens now? So what do we get? Minus? Anybody? Owen? Bon? What do we get?
Minus 3.
No, minus 4k minus 4. And then you get minus 3 minus 4k. Yeah? Now, what does g of minus 3 mean? G of minus 3. Anybody? G of minus 3. Find the output when the input is minus 3. What happens next? We get 1 plus, what's minus 4 times minus 3? Plus 12, which is 13. Yeah? Now, what happens to this equation? This becomes 13, and what does this become here? Minus 3 minus 4k. So the formula we have is minus 3 minus 4k equals 13. Where does the 3 go? Huh? Over the other side. Minus 4k equals, anybody? It's going to be plus 3, which is 16. Multiply both sides by minus. 4k equals minus 16. What's k equal to then? Huh? Minus 4. Read the word solved. Solve means find the value of the letter. Okay? Alright guys, that's us.